Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is James and welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing first impressions, something I haven't done in quite a while, and it's of this Revolo that I'm wearing right now. So I hope you guys enjoy. I do shoot these videos after doing the actual video, so that's why I'm wearing it already, but enjoy. So let's get right into today's unboxing, but before we do, quick wristwatch check. I am wearing my beloved Oris Arctic GT, my first ever Swiss made watch. Seriously cool watch. Absolutely love it, and I've just finished work, so I'm trying to capture as much natural sunlight as possible before it all goes away. But before we dive into this, I just want to say a big thank you to Brendan over at Revolo and the whole Revolo team, who have been really great to me since I first got my my Revolo back in December of 2016. I was actually a Kickstarter supporter about 6 months prior to me getting this in December 16, so I supported them a long time ago, and I've loved their whole sort of business, really, the way they do custom made watches. For those of you that aren't familiar, go back and watch my unboxing and first impressions of this exact watch. Seriously cool what they offer. You know, I built this automatic watch. It's got my date of birth and name engraved on the back, and I went with a color scheme that reminds me of the Rolex Yachtmaster, so you can really, you know, customize and choose exactly what you want. But the team over at Revolo have given me the opportunity to have a look at, unbox and own the new chronograph, so I want to say a big thank you. So what I'll do, I'll talk about a few of the options you can have, but this is just the unboxing and first impressions, so in the full review I'll definitely go in a lot more detail, but let's just get this out of the box. So there it is, the V, which is for the Revolo, which is actually their logo, as you can see right there. So I have had this one for quite a while now, and it's still in really good condition. I don't wear it as often as I probably should. Lovely quick change as well. Anyway, why am I talking about this watch? You will want to know about this watch, so let's have a look. So let's open it up and take a closer look at the actual watch. But before we do, you guys know I've just got to keep it going for as long as possible. So here is your Revolo, your warranty. It has to be perfect, and there we are. So the date, the 4th of the 4th, 2018, checked and approved by, and I've got my number on there, everything like that. So it does come with a 2-year warranty, which is really good, to be honest. So let's have a look at the actual watch. So here we go. So this is the design I decided to go with. I decided to go with quite a safe design. The reason being, I actually don't own a chronograph in my current collection, and I wanted something that I could actually wear quite comfortably and that you can really go in deep. So the chronograph is 42mm across. We'll go into actual dimensions in the full review. But you can either choose the Ronda quartz, which is what I currently have in this watch, as you can see. It's ticking away there at the 3 o'clock subdial, or you can choose the automatic Valjoux 7750 chronograph. So you can either have a quartz or an automatic, which is good that they give you the choice. And there's a choice of bezels and a choice of dials, hands, everything. You can really choose every single thing about this watch pretty much, and the dial variation changes depending on whether you go with the quartz that I've gone with or the automatic. So let's take off the plastic. I think there's plastic on top. Oh no, there isn't. It's been in the box, so there's a bit of condensation or whatever you call it on the crystal. There we are. Look at that. Looks absolutely incredible. Let's start the chronograph. And there it goes. So I'm going to wear this probably for a week or two, maybe even a bit longer before I do the full review, because I want to give it a fair chance, you know, proper wear it in and actually and give it a chance on the wrist, pretty much, as I just said. So let's have a closer look at it off the cushion. Really nice details on the dial right there, but we'll definitely go into a lot more detail in the full review. So my first impressions, I really like it. I love that it's got the polished bezel with the brushed case. It reminds me of my Tudor. My Tudor Block Bay 36 has a brushed case with a polished bezel, and there is my new logo on the back. It looks really good. Let's take off the plastic so we can see that. So there's the logo. It looks really good. So my old one has my old date of birth and my very first logo for Kibble watches on the box. This one has my new logo on the case back, which is quite cool because it's sort of to commemorate the latest chapter, and it does have the easy adjustment right there. I went with a normal black grain strap because I just think that looks really good, especially with that nice black dial. I really like the design of this. I think it looks really good. Let's try it on my wrist. So I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist, so we'll see how this 42mm wears. you know what, this is a big watch, but it does wear very, very well. I can actually pull this off, just about. I think if it was a millimeter or two bigger, I don't think I'd actually be able to pull this off. But they've done a really good job. The V is there on the clasp as well, which is a nice little touch. I'm really excited to actually give this a shot. The nice red highlights on the second hand as well. I'll be interested to hear what you guys have to say, what you guys think of this watch. Let me know down in the comment section. I look forward to reading all your comments. But anyway, that is it for... Oh, let's have a look under here. I don't think there is anything under here. Oh, there's an extra strap. Wow, thank you very much, Revolo. Oh, that's a nice strap. It's been put on the wrong way. Yeah, I'll change that over. But it's a very nice sort of black with white stitching, which will look very, very good on it with the butterfly clasp or the folding clasp. Be interesting to see if this bracelet goes on it. I don't know, it definitely won't. The end links are completely different, but still, thank you very, very much for this extra strap. I will definitely try it on there as well, though I think my preference will be this one, but we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you think of this watch down in the comments, and I will definitely get that full review done soon, so keep an eye out for that. But thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to go to Revolo's website and try making your own. You can see the prices on there as well, which are very fair in my opinion for what you're making. You can either obviously go with the chronograph, as you see here, or a sort of normal automatic one like this, or you can choose quartz in this variant as well. Lots of different sizes, everything like that, but definitely give it a go. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.